The stupid guy. What do you say? You fear the thing. You say you'll be ready for me. Come to me. Yeah. I saw the stupid boy, the dirty guy from the bush, talk about the rubbish to me. Who are you? Nobody know you. You don't fear me. Come on face to talk about me. I'm ready for you, stupid boy. Jack, don't try. If you try, you can see the light. You don't have common sense. Who teach you? Your mother, the bush woman, and bush father. He don't train you good thing. He can train you. You get a respect to the people. The village guy. The poor thing about your poor family. Stop it. You know the pig. You are brother. Follow the pig. Don't leave the pig for your life. If you see the pig, you have to appreciate the pig for your home. Let me tell the truth for you. Go and ask your father family. You can see. Let me tell the truth for you. You don't get the wise family. That one you do the that things. Nobody to teach you good things. Stupid guy. You from bush. Let me tell the truth for you. You don't fear me. Don't try. I think say you are animal. That why I don't try you. I don't have time to waste my time for the animal purpose. Jack, I know you before, don't say any wrong about me. Who are you? Let me tell the truth for you. You don't have common sense. You think about the bush things. You are animal. Your brother is a pig. Go and pick for your home. Let me tell the truth for you. Maybe the people don't say to you. I wanna say the truth for you. I don't compare you for the human being. Anytime I saw you, I think say I see the animals. Let me fuck you, bamba clot, motherfucker people.